today I'm here with Kevin, one of the field sales engineers for Allied, and I wanted to talk to you about some FlexCNC tooling.
Okay.
So,
what kind of questions you have?
I know Allied is one of the main tooling that we use on our FlexCNCs, and I know that we just ran some demos because we're here at the open house today. Do you know what tooling we ran for those demos?
Yeah, today we were running the TA Pro and our Revolution drill. The tooling that we run the most is our TA Pros, our Gen 3s, the Revolution drill when we get into the bigger hole sizes like 1.7/8 and larger, and our Vortex, which is our smaller indexable drills.
Okay, gotcha.
Those are the drills that seem to lend themselves best on these machines.
Right. You guys are the experts at putting holes in parts, aren't you?
We tend to think we are. We call ourselves the hole making experts. So.
You do.
You guys use some other tools here to actually manufacture these.
Oh, really?
You do use some boring tools, and you do have some reamers here, and obviously you're using a lot of our drills, the TAs and Gen 3s and stuff.
Absolutely.
So yeah, you use quite a bit of what we offer.
Yeah, no, the Allied tool lineup is absolutely amazing, and getting to work with you guys is a pleasure.